Jai Guruji Maharaj. Those were the days, the non-Sangat days, which Guruji would call his off days. We were fortunate enough to have been called by him and receive his blessings. He once said, मैं याद दिलान आया हाँ लोकी रब नूं भुल्ले बैठे ने रब है मैं याद दिलान आया हाँ लोकां ने रब नूं वखरे वखरे ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ रब नूं खिलौना समझ लिता मैं याद दिलान आया हाँ कि रब है He said रब ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਹੈ Then he told me, he said ਤੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਰਿਲੀਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਡੇਟੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੂੰ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਤੇਰੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਅਰਦਾਸਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਨ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ He said मैं हार्ड मास का सामने बैठा हूँ लोगों ने इंसान समझ लेता हार्ड मास इज हड्डी और मांस का मैं सामने बैठा हूँ Then he said बहुत बाद समझ आएगी मैं की हाँ Once he said डॉक्टर अपना काम करेंगे मैं अपना काम करांगा दवाई भी तद लगती है जब मैं ब्लैस करना हाँ And then out of the blue one day we were told हालात बहुत 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 माड़े आ रहे हैं जो पाठ करेगा वो बच जाएगा Initially I could not understand why he used the word बच जाएगा In today's context I understand why he had said बच जाएगा Then he said मैं जिंदगी दा कोड़ा जे तुसी मैनू दियो तो मैं बिल्कुल सिद्धा हाकांगा And for that he had asked for surrender Surrender is simply letting him take over your life letting him decide what is good for you and what is not and having that complete faith in him that he will not let you go wrong he will not disappoint you and he will definitely take care of you once he had said साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए that is of course we have all heard this doha of Kabir's in school and Guruji had said that to me I got that satisfaction of hearing it knowing that I would always have enough food to eat and I would always be looked after. He will decide for me what is enough for me. I will not be at the asking end, wanting this and wanting that. He will take care and he will never let me down. He never has. I was told, जे विश्वास है ते सब कुछ है जे विश्वास नहीं ते कुछ नहीं We are all under his sharan. We are all his children. He takes care. He takes care of those things also which you do not know about. So have faith. Hold on. He is the one who's paving the way for you forward. Be optimistic. And always, always just believe in your Guru. Jai Guruji.